Hi, it's William McKnight of McKnight Consulting Group. I'm here with Simon Arkell, the CEO of Prediction Software, and we're at the Pacific Northwest Business Intelligence Summit for 2013 here in Grants Pass, Oregon. Simon, welcome.
Thanks, William. Good to be here.
Well, great. Why don't you tell us a little bit about your company?
Good. Well, Prediction Software is a predictive analytics software company. We've been around for about 4 years. We're venture-backed, have some great VC investors as well as some strategics. And our sole purpose in life is to add predictive analytics capabilities to every piece of software out there and to make it more part of business intelligence and more usable by more people.
So it's more important these days to be able to predict the future so you can intervene into it.
Yeah, that's exactly right. So BI has historically been historical information, real-time information, great dashboards for executives to be able to see what's going on in their company, inventory management, sales, what have you. But more and more people are looking to this type of technology to take that historical data and use it to apply algorithms and then predict the future in some way. And so that has historically been a really complex, challenging, difficult, expensive thing to do. So we've tried to abstract away a lot of that complexity, a lot of the cost, make it much easier not only to create those predictive applications in the first place, but for teams to work on the right solution and then automate them so that non-technical end users could benefit from it.
Okay. And you're making all this empirically based on data, not based upon any kind of gut feel. You're bringing a lot of data to bear in that prediction
and we
process.
see a lot of the users of our software are right now getting this dashboard information and then basically doing that to see what they should do next. In a hospital setting, what do I do with this patient now that I know about them? But we're actually using machine learning and predictive analytics to recommend or prescribe the right action to take or intervention to make in order to stop the bad thing from happening.
And your users don't have to leave Excel behind when they do this, right?
Well, yeah, there's two sides of the story. One is the creation of these predictive models, and so that's where we target the more technical user. It might be a data scientist and his audience and team of business analysts or subject matter experts. And they are using a workbench which we've created inside of Excel, which connects to the cloud or the server, the prediction server, and we do big data predictive analytics. But once you actually are happy with the predictive model or the app that you've created, you basically put that into this automated framework and allow these non-technical actors to access it on a tablet computer or in a browser somewhere.
Great. Got to support those modern means of access.
That's right.
So you mentioned some venture interest. Tell us a little bit about that, because I know there's some things going on that side.
Yep, we've been pretty good at getting investors on board with the vision over the last few years. So we started out with a Series A round a few years ago, which had some great VCs in it. DFJ, Frontier, Palomar, Miramar. Then we had a strategic lead, our Series B, our second round, about a year and a half ago. But just recently we announced the investment by Accenture and GE. And what that does for us as a company is help launch us into their global channels. So having a strategic round of investment has meant an incredible opportunity for us. Not only because it's money and we can build better software and put more into marketing, but partnering with a company like Accenture allows us to build some great industry solutions that really appeal to their customers and are very much needed by those customers. And then Accenture can help promote those to those customers.
So what kinds of solutions, what kind of models? Do you have some planned already with Accenture?
Yeah, so we've historically been very good in the healthcare space, so we can predict patient risk. And in life sciences, we're planning an application that will help optimize sales forces as they're recommending certain products to the doctors. And then, the industry ideas go on from there.
Sure, they do. So where did the expectations go with this new round of funding and the partnership? Where do the expectations for prediction go from here?
Well, we think there's a huge partner opportunity for us with other software companies that want to embed predictive analytics into their existing software products. It's really hard to do. Even if you're an analytics company, adding predictive analytics capabilities is a very different skill set. So we're making it really easy for software companies to predictively enable their offerings. And we also think that there is just way more opportunity to simplify this and make it available to more people more often.
Absolutely. Great. Well, thank you for that update.
Thank you.
And this has been William McKnight, Simon Arkell. We're signing off from the Pacific Northwest Business Intelligence Summit 2013.